Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So today is part 2 of the Lego safe. For those of you that haven't seen part 1, just broken it, quickly repair that before Mrs. 365 sees it and goes ballistic. So for those of you that haven't seen part 1, this is the stage we got to so far. This is bag 1 and we are now ready for bag 2. But before we go any further, a whiskey to get me through it, because Lego is, for some people it's therapeutic. For me, especially these 18 plus Lego bits that are like made to be more complicated, it's quite full on. So I do find a whiskey gets you through it. Although saying that, I took a back seat in bag 1 and Mrs. 365 got it to how it is there. But I'm going to have a little go and see how I get on with bag 2. So let's start bag 2. Oh, this is cool. Let's get straight into it. Now I'm going to actually pause the video and then I'm going to resume it when we're a little bit further forward, because my plan was to record the whole process, but as you saw from part 1, it's actually quite complicated to do and the video will be very long and boring. So I'll resume it once we've got a little bit further forward. Thanks for watching. I'll leave a link in the description for part 1. And like I said in part 1, once it's built, the plan will be to try and get as much silver as we can in it to see how it looks. So I'll see you in a sec. So here we go. Bag 2 is now done. You can see coming along nicely. I think that's the top now, so we can start to see the actual height of it. So it's actually quite a nice size. Got like some little features on there. Got a spider climbing up the wall. We've got some sticks of dynamite, some gold. So yeah, it's starting to look quite a nice size now. This is like a shelf here at the back as well. So yeah, we're going to be able to fit a nice amount of silver in here once we've done it. Look at that. Already looks pretty cool with some silver in there. So yeah, let me know what you think about this series. Let me know if you're enjoying it. I'm going to let you into a little bit of a secret. I actually gave up after trying to do the second bag. My partner did the first bag. I thought I'll do the second bag so I can say that I've been involved in making this. And I'll be honest with you, it's too stressful for me. I don't find Lego therapeutic. I find it quite tedious and stressful, really. So yeah, I called for backup and Mrs. 365 took over, and she can take full credit because so far she has done the full build of this. So yeah, let me know what you think so far. This is part 2. I will put this in the playlist if you want to see part 1 as well. It'll be in the description. And stay tuned for part 3. As always, thanks very much for watching and I hope you have a nice day.